In Gilbert, where sunshine is abundant and temperatures can soar, homeowners are looking for ways to make their living spaces more comfortable while adding long-term value to their properties. One solution that has gained popularity in recent years is window replacement. Modern replacement windows offer more than just a refreshed look. They provide energy efficiency, comfort, and enhanced resale appeal that homeowners in Gilbert can truly appreciate. Improved comfort in every season. Gilbert's desert climate means residents deal with blazing hot summers and cooler winter nights. Old, single-pane windows or outdated frames can make it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Drafts, hot spots, and cold air leaks are common issues. By investing in energy-efficient replacement windows, homeowners enjoy better insulation, which helps keep indoor temperatures stable. Low emissivity, low E, glass coatings reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter, reducing the strain on HVAC systems. As a result, living rooms stay cooler in July, and bedrooms remain cozier in December. Lower energy bills. One of the most attractive benefits of replacement windows is their ability to reduce energy costs. With rising electricity rates, efficiency is more important than ever. Modern windows minimize heat transfer, meaning air conditioners and heaters don't have to work overtime. For Gilbert homeowners, this translates to noticeable savings on monthly utility bills. While the upfront investment may seem significant, the long-term reduction in energy expenses makes replacement windows a cost-effective upgrade. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Replacement windows aren't just about function, they're also about style. Fresh, modern windows instantly improve a home's curb appeal. Whether it's sleek vinyl frames, classic wood finishes, or contemporary fiberglass designs, today's window options allow homeowners to match their personal aesthetic. In addition, potential buyers view new windows as a major selling point. A home with recently replaced windows suggests lower future maintenance, better efficiency, and improved comfort, all factors that add to resale value. For Gilbert homeowners planning to sell in the next few years, this upgrade often yields one of the highest returns on investment. Noise reduction and better living environments. With Gilbert's growing population and vibrant neighborhoods, outside noise can sometimes affect peace indoors. Replacement windows with double or triple pane glass help block unwanted sounds from traffic, construction, or busy streets. Homeowners notice quieter, calmer living environments, perfect for families who value serenity after a long day. Easier maintenance and durability. Old windows often require regular scraping, painting, or repairs. Modern replacement windows are designed with low-maintenance materials such as vinyl or fiberglass that resist warping, peeling, or fading. Features like tilt-in sashes make cleaning a breeze, even for windows on upper floors. Durability also plays a role in long-term value. Today's windows are built to withstand Gilbert's intense sun exposure without cracking or deteriorating, ensuring homeowners won't have to worry about frequent replacements. A smart investment for comfort and value. For many Gilbert homeowners, replacement windows strike the perfect balance between comfort, savings, and long-term financial return. By enhancing energy efficiency, improving daily living conditions, and boosting property value, this upgrade addresses both present needs and future goals. Whether the motivation is lowering utility bills, creating a more comfortable home environment, or increasing resale appeal, replacement windows are proving to be one of the smartest investments homeowners in Gilbert can make.